Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and today I'm doing a review for a brand new product and it's called One Click Blog Post. One Click Blog Post, and it's been brought up by my friend Anka Shukla. Here I am in the members area, and what it really allows you to do is go and get content from any YouTube video. It will take that YouTube video, take all the content out. Then you can do it as a blog post. So you've got content coming onto your blog, and you can do this in the cloud as well. This is the sales page. I just want to show you the sales page. This software writes blog posts for you in just 3 seconds flat. Yes, 91 can create high quality blog posts or articles without a single word of actual manual writing. There's Anka himself, and he talks about that writing posts is difficult, newly added based on customer feedback, unlimited cloud edition of One Click blog post. So you don't even need to put in the WordPress plugin. You can actually do this in the cloud. And there's the pricing for you. It's $24, unlimited sites license and cloud edition. Install on unlimited sites, create unlimited blog posts. Cloud edition included works on non-WordPress sites, full training included, free traffic up to 1 year, free updates. Then you got the multi-site license, build annually, and that's $19, and the single site is $9. So let me just show you quickly the way that it works. Let's say create a new article, and we go to YouTube. YouTube.com, and we can choose any YouTube video, let's choose Panache Desire. You can choose any YouTube video. And we just click share here. So I'll take the code there, and then I'll come back to the software itself. And
when you change your energy, you can change your life. You are only ever as limited as you allow yourself.
And create my article. So it's taken the actual video from YouTube, and there the video is, and look how amazing that is, guys. It's really transcribed it. You can change it, you can edit it, you can put picture, you can copy the text, you can download the text, put it onto your blog. And yeah, it's a major time saver. It's been written, this plugin is great. So you can either have it as a plugin, if you take that, the pro version is $24, and it works in the cloud. So that is the product itself. If we go home, that's the software itself, and then there's support where there's frequently asked questions, and there's a whole lot of training as well. So that's a one-click blog post. I've showed you the sales page. It costs $24, and there is $27 now. It's just gone up, and there's a whole lot of testimonials. Let me quickly show you my bonus page. This software writes blog posts for you in just 3 seconds flat. Yes, now anyone can create high quality blog posts or articles. Get your copy following $27. So what is one-click blog post? Writing blog post from scratch is hard. Starting at a blank page with no way to get started is what keeps most people from content writing. That's why they can never get anything done for their website or their blogs. What if you could do it from scratch, introducing one-click blog post? Front end is $27. Access the powerful one-click blog post software and training modules. Upsell one pro version upgrade features, more features like video, thumbnail, time code, make the content more interactive. Upgrade to click headline plugin for unlimited size, $37. Upsell 3 FotoFinder plugin for unlimited size, $37. Upsell 4 tag machine 2.0 plugin for unlimited size, $37. Upsell 5 is $47. That's the developer's license. So it's super easy, it's ultra fast, and let me show you my 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, access atomic depth Y. So that's John Armstrong, my coach. It's his product. It's brilliant for YouTube traffic and extra traffic. $427. That's bonus number 1, value $427. Bonus number 2, $46.95. Hack how to build a WordPress site from scratch. So that shows you how to build a WordPress site from scratch. Bonus number 3, $344.95. Hack 3 HQ traffic sources to use with one-click blog post. Bonus number 4, $267. Hack access Jono's Bing ads course. So Jono's my coach. He's brilliant at Bing, and you can get his course, his Bing course, for $267. That's extra traffic. And bonus number 5, all the vendors bonuses, and that's value $197. So guys, that is the product. You can get any YouTube video, plug it in there. You can do it in the cloud or do it on your WordPress site, and you get all of these bonuses that give you the extra traffic. This gets my highest recommendation. I like this product. This please note that this bonus page only open for 3 days, and guys, this gets my highest recommendation. This is Saul Maraney in Cape Town, South Africa. I wish you well, and I hope that you get this. Thanks. Bye.